More and more people are using Korean cushion now, but so many of you guys are doing it wrong. And it makes me so sad because a lot of you guys complain about oxidation, patchy finish. The issue is not with your cushion, but it's how you apply it. So let me teach you guys how to apply it properly so you can get this perfect finish. First of all, you want to find the right shade for you, and TIRTIR just came up with 2 more shades, so look at how many shades they have. So they have a total of 20 shades now. You will definitely be able to find a shade that's perfect for your skin. I'm going to swatch 4 different colors that I think is pretty close to my skin color, and you can see that 21 neutral is perfect for me. Tip number 2, you want to make sure the product is applied on the center of the pump. This is to make sure the product is evenly applied to your skin. And applying the cushion directly onto the skin is the most common mistake that I see. Don't ever do that, guys. That is the main reason for oxidation. Instead, leave some out on the cushion palette, and you can see that a lot came out on the palette, right? Only minimal amount is left on the cushion pump, but you can see that I can apply half of the face with that, no problem. Applying thin layer is key to having a flawless base that's going to last the whole day. If you want more coverage, that's no problem. Just do the same thing. Make sure to leave some out on the palette and apply thin layer. So this is before versus after. You can see that my skin is literally naturally glowing and the coverage is insane. And ta-da! I apply the cushion all over my face, and you can see that because the layer is so thin, even when I touch it, there's no finger mark on the skin. An absolute perfection.